In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Parrot OS on VirtualBox step by step in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this guide will get you up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First, open any web browser that is on your computer. Type to search download Parrot OS ISO file and hit enter. Click to open this first page. OK, move down and click on this live option. Here, select the version that you want to download, like Security or Home. Move down and click on Download option. This will start to download the ISO file. Next, search to download VirtualBox. Click on this first link. Click on Download. Select VirtualBox platform packages like for Windows hosts. After downloading, open the download folder. Click to open the VirtualBox setup. Click on Next option. Choose I accept the terms in the license agreement. Click Next. Next. Yes. Next. Then install. OK. When done, click on Finish to launch the software. Click on New. Enter a name, for example, Parrot OS. Move down and click on Other to select the ISO that we downloaded. Next, allocate at least 4 GB of RAM. Choose like 2 processors. Click Next. Create a virtual hard disk with at least 20 GB of storage. Click Next. Lastly, click on Finish. Move up and click on Settings. Under General, click on Advanced tab. Now choose Bidirectional option under Shared Clipboard. Again here. Click on OK. Start the virtual machine and boot from the ISO file. Select Try or Install option from the menu. Click on Install Parrot. Follow the on-screen instructions to set your language, keyboard layout, and time zone. Choose Erase Disk. This will delete all the data currently present on the selected storage device. But don't worry, this is virtual machine. It will not delete your entire data. Click Next. Create a username and password. Click Next. Lastly, click Install and let the installation process complete. This might take a few minutes, so you have to be patient. Once the installation is done, click on Power option and select Shut down the virtual machine. Click on Settings. Click on Storage. Select this ISO file and then click on Remove Attachment. Click on OK. Then here click on Start. Log in with your credentials and hit Enter. And there you have it. Parrot OS is now installed and ready to use. Take a moment to explore the tools and features. Congratulations! You've successfully installed Parrot OS on VirtualBox. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to IT Next, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.